Eggs are often called the perfect protein. They contain all amino acids needed for great health. They make a great breakfast, as we know, but they also give you a great opportunity for getting in your protein at lunch or supper. Today's recipe is for fluffy scrambled eggs, and you're going to be surprised at how delicious these turn out with our secret ingredient. So you're going to need a little olive oil today, butter, a couple of eggs, and again, that secret ingredient is baking powder. A little salt and pepper and a skillet, and we're ready to go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is just crack our eggs into a bowl. You can use a fork, or you can use a whisk. Mix them up really well. While you're whisking these up, we're going to go ahead and turn our heat on medium on a skillet. If you like a non-stick, go for it. I have a well-seasoned skillet here that I love to use for eggs. And then simply add the baking powder. Whisk more, get that nice and mixed in. You know, baking powder, just like in your baking a cake or cookies, it's going to release carbon dioxide and make this a really fluffy egg. This is double acting baking powder, so it actually will release a little carbon dioxide now when it comes in contact with the liquid, and again when it's on the heat. So we're going to add our butter and our olive oil. Get all nice and melted, and we're simply going to dump the egg in. I think a lot of people like to use a spatula when they do a scrambled egg. You can make this into an omelet or a scrambled egg. Go ahead and just bring it together. You can see it's already getting really nice and fluffy. You don't need to overcook an egg. A safe internal temperature on a scrambled egg is only 145 degrees. Turn it over a time or two. I like to add a little salt and pepper. Oh, and here it is. Let's give it a taste. You can just tell it's fluffy just cutting through the egg. It really is. It's like no egg I've ever made before. And with a nice piece of sourdough toast, what a great treat. Be sure to try this recipe. Delicious.